Mama, ndabidenge modoka ngoba simanyina kumesana siminazi jentute oba ndawa banange ene modoka yange nange ngeze.
Madam, the car is yours. So be a believer.
So the motor car is yours.
A motor car iyo.
Congratulations.
Yes,
we are very happy to be here.
We want
to thank NTV and Mr. Ivan here for bringing this story to our attention. So what happened is that Ivan, when you told the story, somebody saw it on media and shared it on our WhatsApp group at MTN.
Ivan, we yabulira emboozi eno waliwo omuntu w'MTN yagiwa amatu n'agitwalayo n'agiwa CEO waffe n'agimunyumizaako.
And one of my colleagues, Mr. Mutana there. Mr. Mutana, raise your hand.
Omwami omu kuge tukola naye Mr. Mutana yawanise omukono.
He shared it with us on our WhatsApp group as a team.
Yagigabana naffe ab'MTN ku WhatsApp group oba group ya WhatsApp.
And then when he shared it with us, we started asking ourselves, how can we make a difference in this woman's life? And the reason why we did this is because we saw she was working hard. She is a woman who has 5 children. She's hardworking. And we as MTN, we stand for community and we also stand for people who are working hard. So we started finding a way that we could be able to make a difference in her life. And as you can see, these are the leaders, the directors of MTN. You can see them on stage. And all of them said, let's make a difference. So this is our CFO, Mr. Andrew Bugembe. We told him to look for the car and make sure that it is prepared. And he found the car. This happened less than 2 weeks ago. And together with the support of the rest of the EXCO colleagues, please wait. We put together the car, and today we have brought the car to Madam Knight. So now, Madam, we are telling everybody. We have the car is written together. We are unstoppable. So as you remain with MTN.